Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Blue Square SEO and Digital Marketing Podcast. I'm your host Paul Burkett from Blue Square Management, and in today's podcast I'm going to be talking about social media marketing tips and how to monitor your social media presence in just 10 minutes a day. Businesses actively using social media marketing stand to gain many benefits. Platforms such as Twitter, Facebook and LinkedIn create a communication channel to and from your business where people can connect on a non-business level. Through social media, your network can interact with you and express their views and opinions and ultimately connect with your business at a time that is convenient for them. But it goes both ways. Not only do consumers have a comfortable social channel to connect with a business, but a business can also gain an excellent insight into their consumers. Comments made on your business's posts can reveal how people view your business. Do they like the content you share? Are they sharing positive experiences or venting their frustrations? They may even share suggestions on what they wish your business offered, an extremely powerful insight. Ultimately, social media marketing can help a business understand if they are creating raving fans or frustrated customers, clients or patients on a real-time basis. Knowing this, a business gains direct insight into the minds of their followers and their online reputation. The potential benefits of actively using social media are outstanding, but comes at a price. Actively using social media means consistently adding content, responding to comments and posts, and listening to what your followers are saying. The only way to accomplish this is through monitoring your social media channels, which takes time. But just by following a few simple tips and guidelines, monitoring your social media presence does not have to consume all of your time. Here are 5 simple steps you can take to effectively monitor your business's social media presence in only 10 minutes a day. Tip 1. Set a schedule. Social media has a tendency to draw you in for extended amounts of time. You may have planned to only check out a couple of things on Facebook and log off. Next thing you know, it is 30 minutes later and you're still scrolling away. Choose a certain part of the day. I recommend the morning, but it is more important to pick up a time that works for you and stick to it. When the time comes, stop whatever you are doing and go through the steps I'm about to mention. You only have 10 minutes to complete them. This step is a precursor to the actual activities, but it is every bit as important. Your schedule is the backbone of your social media monitoring success. Tip 2. Check Twitter chatter. 3 minutes. Log in to Twitter and check chatter about your company as well as competitors. Retweet or favourite positive and insightful tweets. Comment on any tweets that require it. Twitter keeps everything to 280 characters or less, so time management is also built into Twitter. You can also save your streams in Twitter or use a tool like TweetDeck to increase efficiency. Tip 3. Facebook overview. 3 minutes. Log into Facebook and scan through the comments. Like positive and insightful comments. Check your private messages and make note of any that need to be responded to. If a private message requires a detailed response, schedule that for another time of the day. Remember, this is social media monitoring time. Responses may require research, additional details and, most importantly, more time. Save it for later. Also check your Facebook Insights page to get a general idea of your business's page activity. Do not go in depth here. Look for trends such as new likes and post research. Tip 4. Scan Google Alerts. 2 minutes. Google Alerts can send you a notification if your business name gets published online. It most commonly shows blog posts or comments where your business is mentioned or a link to your business is posted. Google Alerts will also show posts on Quora, as well as website pages where your business is mentioned. It is important to remember to scan Google Alerts. Do not read entire articles. Take note of how your business is mentioned, who is mentioning it, and if any action should be taken on your part. Again, if detailed responses are required, make a note of it. You can respond with your thought and detail later. Stick to monitoring. Tip 5. LinkedIn. Quick look. 2 minutes. There are 2 areas to scan in LinkedIn. First, check your company page and look for new comments. Next, scan your group digest. As you do this, if you can make a very quick comment, do so. Make sure it is quick and do it when it is industry related and showcases your business expertise. Social media is powerful, but effectively managing it can be daunting. Use these 5 social media marketing tips and become conscious of your social media monitoring. Do not get stuck in Twitter or lost in Facebook. Use them as a marketing tool to grow your business and not as ways to kill time. The result is in a more effective, visible business that better understands its customers, clients or patients. I hope you found this episode helpful and see you in the next Blue Square SEO and digital marketing podcast. To be kept up to date with our latest podcasts, you can follow us on Anchor.fm, Spotify and Apple Podcast. Blue Square Management have created a free monthly digital marketing magazine that aims to help small businesses get more customers, clients or patients, increase sales and help grow their business. It provides useful hints and tips on all marketing topics, including SEO, pay-per-click advertising, social media marketing, review and reputation management, video marketing, web design and much more. To get this free digital marketing magazine sent to your email inbox each month, just go to www.bluesquaremanagement.com and subscribe.